All right. Hello everybody. Binsoy here. And sa video to, papakita ko sa inyo kung paano gumawa ng isang video tutorial, yung screen tutorial using Camtasia. Okay? So Camtasia is one of the software that I use to create tutorials because for several reasons. Okay? So why use Camtasia? In my opinion, Camtasia is number one, easy to use and navigate. Okay, so it's actually the easiest software na nakita ko so far na pwede kang mag-edit ng videos. Okay, and yung interface niya, the user interface itself is easy to navigate. So you don't need to be um, technically savvy like yung sa number 3 to use this software. Okay, just a little experimenting, just a little navigation, and some trial and error na testing can make you an expert in Camtasia. Okay, number 2, it's lightweight. So hindi siya mabigat, in other words. All right, so yung size ng program hindi ganoon kabigat. So it's not really that yung high-end. Kumbaga, you don't need to have a high-end computer to run Camtasia. Okay? And number 3, it's built for non-techie users. So even yung pinaka-basic na internet marketer, a newbie internet marketer without the skills, the technical skills, can use Camtasia. Okay? So those are the 3 main reasons why you should use Camtasia to create tutorials. Okay? So what I use Camtasia for, it's mainly for video tutorials. Okay? Why video tutorials? Number 1, because video attracts more viewers than creating a text tutorial. Okay? So we are in the age na yung mga tao mas preferred na manood ng video kaysa magbasa. Okay? That's a reality. Alright? So kailangan nating sabayan yung trend na yun. Okay? And we have the technology right now na sobrang daling gumawa ng video. So even a normal person or yung mga ano lang, mga tulad natin, pwede tayong makagawa ng mga videos. We don't need to have an expensive equipment or anything like that na para makagawa ng isang tutorial, so we could help our team or we can help other people. Okay? And number 2, video tutorial is easier to understand. Okay? Kasi nga nakikita ng tao kung ano yung exact thing na ginagawa mo, it's easy for them to follow you. It's easier for them to follow you. Okay? So yeah, in my experience and sa team ko, they always prefer watching me doing stuff. Okay? Kaya mas preferred ko ngayon gumawa ng video tutorial kaysa gumawa ng isang blog post or isang yung step by step na text tutorial or instructions. Okay? And number 3, it saves time because like what I'm doing right now, I'm just, showing you exactly how I do it. Okay? So hindi ko na kailangan mag-create ng isang text-based na instructions kahit like right now, kahit siguro I also stutter a lot, but the thing is nakikita niyo kung paano ko siya ginagawa. Okay? So ganun siya kadali. Okay, so ngayon I'll show you the program itself, Camtasia. Okay? So once you have downloaded Camtasia dun sa natin sa mastermind site, mastermind group site natin, yeah, you can install it. May instructions din dun. And once it's installed, there should be a folder named TechSmith sa computer niyo. Okay? So if you're using Windows 7, this is how I do it. Okay, TechSmith. Tapos you'll have 2 options, Camtasia Recorder 8 or Camtasia Studio 8. Okay, so Camtasia Recorder 8, ito yung unang i-open natin. Right. Okay, so I hope you're seeing this on your screen right now. Okay, so ito yung interface ng Camtasia Recorder. So you'll have 4 options: capture, effects, tools, and help. Okay, so full screen, if you want to create or to capture the full screen in your computer, then it is open by default. Okay, it is chosen by default. Right, so kung gusto mo namang parts lang ng screen mo, you can choose this one, or you can specify the dimension, or pwede mo rin siyang i-drag. Hold mo siya, left mouse, tapos i-drag mo. Okay? So, kung ano yung naka-highlight sa screen, yun lang yung i-capture niya. Okay? Alright. So, most of the time, hanggang dito lang yung dimension na piniprefer ko. Because I don't want people to see the exact website, but in this tutorial, I'll choose the full screen. Okay? Now, if you want to show your face, pwede mo ring i-on yung webcam. Okay, so this is what you will look like. Yan. Okay, so ganun siya. This is important, especially kung gusto mong makita yung mukha mo. If you're not a shy person, ako medyo mahihain ako ng konti. Yeah, I just turn this off. But if you prefer to show your face, yes, you can also do that. Okay? Papakita ko later on kung paano siya i-edit sa actual na tutorial na. Okay? So, you can also choose to turn on the audio or turn off the audio. Okay? So, kung gagawa ka ng tutorial and you're not comfortable in speaking, you can turn this off. Instead, gawan mo na lang siya ng text dun sa actual video. Okay? But, we want to create a video in the fastest way possible. Okay, so you should also try speaking. You can practice a bit bago nyo gawin yung actual tutorial. Okay, kung sanay na kayo, you can just do editing. Kung may mali kayong nasabi, pwede siyang i-cut na lang doon sa pag-edit nyo ng video. Okay, you can also adjust the volume ng mic. Ito. And the record button. Okay, so the record button, I'll record a sample video right now and see what it's gonna do. Okay, so click record. So once you start your tutorial, just click this button. Okay, and F10 to stop the recording. 1, and we are now live. Okay, so let's create a sample video. Alright, hi! Ako po si Binsoy, and in this video, pinapakita ko kung paano gumawa ng isang video tutorial using Camtasia. Okay, so here's how I do it. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, so I'll stop the video tutorial now by pressing F10. F10. Yeah. Okay, we are now live. Okay, so let's create a sample video. Right. Hi, ako po si Binsoy, and in this video, pinapakita ko kung paano gumawa ng isang video tutorial using Camtasia. Okay, so alright, I'll just pause this video. Tapos, click mo yung save and edit. Yan. Okay, tapos, specify mo yung file name. So, like ko lang dito, how to create a video tutorial using Camtasia. Yan. Okay, save. Pagkatapos mag-save, it will open the Camtasia Studio. Okay? So, yan. Okay, let's just wait. Okay. Okay, so this is how the editor looks like. Okay, so it will ask you to specify the dimension of the video. Okay, so in this case, I'll choose yung sa YouTube na format, 1280 by 720. So ito yung 720p. Okay, so let's choose this and click OK. Alright, so ito yung video ng mukha ko. Yan, ito siya. This one. So I can actually drag this anywhere on the screen kung saan ko siya pwede ilagay. I can also adjust. Okay, most of the time dito nilalagay ng mga internet marketers. Okay, so pwede mo ring i-adjust yung size ng screen ng ano mo ng camera ng webcam. Okay, so I'll just put it here. Tapos ito yung screen, ito yung audio. So naka-separate silang tatlo. Okay, so let's try. We are now live. Okay, so let's create a sample video. Hi, ako po si Vinsoy and okay, so at least we're getting somewhere. Now, isa sa mga ginagawa ko is to put a watermark, yung nakikita mong tambay marketing blueprint sa ibaba. Okay, so yeah, you have two options. First is you can put a text. Lang. Dito sa callouts. Punta ka sa callouts. Tapos, click mo yung down arrow na may anong tawag dyan? Dash. Tapos, eto, text. Okay, you can actually put a text. Yan. Tapos, dito may ilagay yung text. I'll choose ito, Baskerville Old Face. Tapos, yung font size, yung color. Sa color naman, I always prefer orange for some reason. Pakay ko dyan, Tambay Academy. Yan. You can put your website, you can put the name of your tutorial or anything. Anything. Depende sa'yo. Okay? So, let's put it in the upper right hand corner. Tapos, you can also put it in bold. Pwede rin siyang lagyan ng shadow. Yan. Yan masyadong maliit. So, 20. Uy. 20, 28. Yan na lang. 38. Yan. Okay. This is the text. So, ito yung ano niya, yung span na madi-display yung Tambay Academy. So kung gusto mong naka-display siya until the end of the video, just drag it up until the last frame. Yan, ito yung last. So naka-level na siya, nakapantay siya dyan. Okay? So another thing, you can play around with the settings here. Pwede ka ring magdagdag ng box. Ayan. So, kung may gusto kang i-highlight dun sa video na yon, pwede mong ilagay. And then, you can also, you can, replay natin. Test natin. We are now live. Yan. So, delete ko lang muna to. Okay. For some reason, na-replace yung text. Sige. Yan. Okay, lagay natin dyan. Drag natin up until the end. Yan. Tapos, if I want, so click ko lang dito. To make sure hindi siya naka-highlight. Okay? So, malalaman nyo pag naka-highlight siya if it's in blue. So, kung gusto nyo magdagdag ng iba pang effects, make sure na naka-gray silang lahat. Okay? Tapos, let's say, araw na lang. Araw. Yes. Yan. So, turo lang natin kung saan natin pwedeng ilagay on what part of the video. Pwede natin i-adjust yung speed. Pwede yung duration niya. Yan. Okay, so let's check.
Hi, ako po si Vinsoy, and in this video,
diba? Ganda. Okay, so basta you can play around with here with the values. Okay, so pwede rin tayong maglagay ng blur kung meron kang gustong i-sensor na part ng screen. So you can either choose the blur or the pixelate option. Okay, either way, they work the same. So ito yung blur. So kunyari, this part of the screen gusto kong gusto ko siyang i-blur. Okay? So, yung duration pwede rin. Yan, pwede mo rin i-adjust kung until saan. And so, I'll just drag it all the way to the end. Yan, para naka-blur siya from start to end. Okay? Yeah.
We are now live. Okay? So, let's create a sample video. Hi.
So, pwede ka rin mag-zoom and pan. So, ibig sabihin, pwede mong i-zoom yung part ng screen share mo, ng screen. Okay? So, you can also adjust the audio. Yan. Pwede mong i-adjust yung audio. Select daw the media properties. Ito. Yan. Make sure nakaselect yung audio. Malalaman pag audio pag meron siyang ganito. Okay? Yan. So, basically, ang ginagamit ko sa part na to is yung noise removals. Especially pag maingay yung background, you can take this one. Yan. Para mabawasan yung noise sa background. Okay? Tapos, you can also scale up or scale down the volume. Okay? So, ginagamit ko to if I would like to add a background music. So, let's try to add a background music right now. Ayan, meron tayong library. You can choose a pre-made yung title screen, yung call out, di ba? Basta experiment lang, guys. Don't hesitate. Okay? So, you have all the time in the world to tinker around Camtasia. Okay? So, itong short lang. So, I'll just drag it over here. Yan. So, pag medyo malaki siya, you can adjust the, yung zoom niya. Okay? Para ma-edit mo siya. Yan. So, pwede mo ring i-drag yung duration ng video or ng audio. Okay? So, try natin.
We are now live. Okay?
Okay, since mas malakas siya kaysa sa actual audio or sa boses ko, so let's tone it down. Yan, volume down, volume down. Yan. So, check natin ulit.
So, let's create a sample video. Hi,
yan. So, let's drag it all the way to the end.
Vinsoy, and in this video, pinapakita ko paano gumawa ng isang video tutorial.
Yan. Okay. So, another tip, especially sa ending, pini-fade out ko siya para maganda yung effect niya sa ending. Okay, check natin.
By pressing F6.
Yan. Okay. Alright, so, yan, we're ready. Then, kung gusto mo na siyang i-save, click mo dito, produce and share. Tapos, piliin mo yung HD MP4 only. So, it will only generate the file, the MP4 file. So, na-compress siya into MP4. Kaya, maganda. Okay, then hit next. Yung pangalan, paste ko lang din yung production name. Yan, how to create a video tutorial using Camtasia. Hit finish. Okay, so it's gonna take its time para i-render yung video. So, kung mas powerful yung computer mo, it will take lesser time bago siya matapos. Okay? But if you're on a Jurassic computer, syempre, it's gonna take longer than usual. Alright? Yan, mabilis lang kasi it's only around siguro mga 10 seconds or less lang yung video na yun. Or less than 20 seconds, so mabilis lang siya. Okay? Ayan. So once it's done, it will auto-replay.
We are now live. Okay? So, let's create a sample video. Hi, I'm Consigin Soy, and in this video, pinapakita ko paano gumawa ng isang video tutorial using Camtasia. Okay? So, here's how I do it. Blah, 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 blah. Okay. So, I'll stop the video tutorial now by pressing F10. F10.
Okay, that's it. So, close mo na lang yan and you can click Open Production Folder para alam mo kung saan nakasave yung file. Okay, so, ito na yung file and kung papansin mo, it's only 1.02 megabytes. So, maliit lang siya. And it's ready for uploading to YouTube. So, you can upload it anytime you're ready. Okay, so ganun lang kadali. Alright, so if you have any questions, feel free to PM me and you can also check on YouTube. Marami ring tutorials on how to create videos and use the effects na nandito sa Camtasia Studio. Basta sobrang daming pwedeng gawin dito. So I just taught you the basic. Okay? So kung gusto mong gumawa ng video presentation, you can also do that using Camtasia. So you can import media. So kung gusto mong mag-add ng mga pictures, pwede mong gawin 'yan. And like ito. Yan, pictures. Yan. So this is a picture of my dog. Ayan. Pwede mo siyang ilagay dito.
We are now live.
Ayan.
Okay?
Okay. So you can also adjust. Yan.
So, let's
Okay.
create a sample video.
Alright, so thank you very much for watching this video and I'll talk to you soon.